want to show you a one-bedroom villa here in the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Resort here at Walt Disney World. The room we want to show you is 8441. Let's go inside and take a look. Boy, right when you open the door, you can smell how fresh and new it is in here. So light and airy. Such a pretty room. Puts you in the mood immediately with the decor of the islands. Very nice. So we just came through the door from the hall and we're in a little vestibule area. Right here is an adjoining room. So if you needed that, this is where that would occur. Right here, when you open these doors, you're gonna find a washer and dryer, which is nice to have so you can wash your dirty items, or maybe your bathing suits, or maybe you got rained out and you wanna dry your clothes. They provide detergent for you, so that's nice. And then right here is a closet, and the closet is gonna have the typical things that you find in most resorts: extra pillow and blanket, iron, a place to hang your clothes, a safe which you're going to use to put in your own combination, so don't forget that, a suitcase rack, and plenty of room on the floor to store items. Right next to this closet is a bathroom. It's a full bathroom, and as you can see, it has a shower. The shower has a sliding door, and inside of it, such pretty tile. That's really nice. You're gonna see here that they have two shower heads. So we have a rainfall shower head and an adjustable one. They also have a clothesline in here. And then if you look on the other wall, you're gonna see a little alcove where you can put your products if you bring them. But if you don't, you can use what Disney provides, which is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And boy, do they smell good. The rest of the bathroom, you're gonna see, of course, the toilet. And then here's a nice counter with this nice sized sink. You can unload your toiletry bags here. And if you need more room, underneath here is a shallow shelf, so you can put stuff down there. And then there's plenty of space to hang towels in the bathroom. Now let's back out of here. We're gonna go back to where we first came in, and you're gonna see a dining area. Now this is nice because you can sit a lot of people. I would say you sit at least 7 people here. And they have a bench and 3 chairs and a very nice sized table with nice lighting. And look at this. Here's the stingray to represent the grandmother in Moana. On the other side is their full kitchen. And it is full. So let's start down here. We're gonna go above here. It is empty, but you have plenty of room for storage. We have a double door, a French door refrigerator. Very nice. And then underneath it is a freezer. So you can put frozen items in here or even make ice. You have plenty cabinets in here. So in here you're gonna see plates, bowls, a toaster. Above this microwave, that's empty as well, and it's very shallow. But look at that microwave, what a good size. And then in this cabinet, you're gonna find all your glasses and cups. And at the top, they have an ice bucket. Above the sink, we have a cabinet. Has a colander, a pitcher, and some bowls. And then the cabinet next to it has even more items. So you can have bowls, and a tray to bake in. Underneath it, you're gonna find a drip coffee maker and a pod coffee maker, and then they supply your coffee here and what you need to, add to your coffee. Look at the size of this sink. This is nice. Plenty of room here on the counter. They do provide to you dish detergent, sponge and dish rag, paper towels, full-size range, full-size oven with bakeware, more counter space, and then under here we have cooking utensils, and then the cabinet under that has pots and pans, here we're going to show you that we have cubicles for receptacles for recycling and trash. And here we have cutlery. Under the sink, we have a drainer, paper towels, extra detergent. And then this is nice, a little dishwasher. It's a full size, very nice. Very nice appointed kitchen. Next to it is kind of like an entertainment center. Now, the items that are on these shelves are fixed, except of course there's nothing in that shelf. And in that shelf area, you're going to see USB and outlets. Let's pull out of there. Here we have a nice long counter and a huge television. Over here, these shelves have items on them, but look at this. What's this in here? Well, this is what they call a fifth sleeper. You pull it down, it's a twin bed. Look at the pretty fish and coral and sea life that's on the wall. This is where your extra pillow and blanket come in. You just fold this back up when you don't want to use it to sleep in. And that's another option for someone to sleep in the room. Now, here we have a balcony, and we'll show you more of that later. They do have sheer drapes and blackouts. This area is your living area. Big couch, and it has an ottoman. They also have a table here and 2 stools. They have a Hey Disney in this unit, and on the wall there they also have outlet and USBs. And then behind this really pretty painting, I'm going to show you another option for this room. It's a pull down bed. Let's see what's in there. This is very easy to do. You just move these items out of the way. Grab onto these handles and pull down. It's a queen bed. Really pretty scene there. You can see the stingray again and the constellations and sea life, you know, animals and coral and that kind of thing. Kind of a rattan looking pattern. I want to show you on that wall they have outlets and USBs and a little switch to turn the light on, but I can't reach it, so you just have to take my word for it. You're done. You want to go enjoy the resort. You want to fold this back up so you can have your couch back. All you do is pick it up and fold it back into the wall. Now, before we go into the bedroom, I want to show you, this is where your thermostat is located. And now we're going to go into the bedroom area. Nice sized bedroom. What I want to show you first is this beautiful bathroom behind this barn door, sliding door. Now this bathroom has 2 counters. They're the same, plenty room to unload your toiletries. Nice fixtures. They do provide to you lotion and soap, and each one has outlets and they have magnifying mirrors. Plenty of room to hang towels in this unit. In here we're going to show you the shower. Again, nice rainfall head and adjustable head. Beautiful tile in here. Clothesline. An area to put your products. A bench, and then they do provide in this shower Disney products. In the middle of the bathroom is this gorgeous soaking tub. I mean, that looks really inviting. And the artwork in that flower shape, volcano and sea life, and oh, it's so nice in here. I know that this does not have a jacuzzi in it, but that's okay. It's a nice soaking tub, and you'll feel great being in there after being in the parks all day. On the other side of it, behind this frosted glass door, is your toilet. And it's a toilet. So it's about all we're going to say about that. Let's take a look at this side. We do provide plenty towels and wash rags for you in this unit. Now come out into the bedroom area. You have a huge king bed, and on each side of the bed they have nightstands. The nightstands have 3 drawers in them each, and here you're going to find a decent amount of space to unload things from your suitcase, your Bible, a phone, USB and outlets, a light, a task light, and then I love this shelf light, which shows the artwork on the wall behind it. So pretty. I can just hear this music from Moana now. Nice little Mickey head they provided for us. Now, I want to show you 2 things. First, I want to show you that this bed is on a platform. And that's nice because then you can put suitcases or purchases underneath and get them out of the way. Secondly, the carpets. The carpets in this resort are all made from recycled plastic, and they have motifs in them that represent sea life. So in this case, it's a little bit of coral, waves, that kind of thing. Over here we have a closet. It's lit, extra pillow and blanket, a place to hang your clothes, and another suitcase rack. To the right of it is this huge countertop. You can unload a lot here. And they have 6, 2 sets of 3 drawers. And this huge television. So plenty of places to unload suitcases. Now, behind these sheer curtains is our balcony, and it's pretty big. It spans across the bedroom and the living area. Now we have a resort view. So we are facing the golf course and Shades of Green Resort, which is the military resort. It looks like we are above the lobby. This is a nice sized balcony, 4 chairs, 2 tables, plenty of room to hang out. And look, there goes the monorail. How cool is that? Let's go back in the room and point out that they do give you blackout drapes in here so you can have it nice and dark and you won't see all the light coming in. So that wraps up our 1-bedroom villa tour. If you like this video, please hit like, please consider subscribing, and please join us on our next magic adventure. Bye.